Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we take the guesswork out of your purchases. Today, we're checking out the best Mallets Percussion Soft Medium Hard, the VixxNoxx Drum Mallets Kit. Whether you're a complete beginner or already jamming with a full percussion setup, this 4-pair mallet and drumstick combo might just be the all-in-one solution you've been looking for. Let's dive in. The VixxNoxx kit includes 4 distinct pairs of percussion tools: felt timpani mallets, rubber mallets, marimba mallets, and classic 5/8 drumsticks. All of these come neatly packed in a durable drumstick bag that's built for portability and protection. Each pair is carefully crafted for different playing styles and percussion instruments. The felt mallets measure 14.17 inches long and are perfect for warm, resonant tones. The rubber mallets, slightly longer at 15.5 inches, are great for sharp and bright articulation. Marimba mallets are the longest of the set at 16.54 inches, wrapped in soft yarn for mellow melodic textures. And of course, the 5/8 drumsticks clock in at 15.97 inches, your go-to choice for everyday playing across drums and pads. Let's talk materials. All the mallets and sticks in this kit feature high-quality maple handles. Maple offers the right balance of strength, lightness, and flexibility, making them comfortable for both long practice sessions and live performances. Each head is tuned for sound quality and durability. The felt mallets offer that deep, soft attack you'd want on a bass drum or timpani. The rubber heads are firm and versatile, suited for glockenspiel or practice pads. The yarn-wrapped marimba mallets are gentle on keys, delivering smooth, warm tones, while the wooden 5/8 sticks are a staple for drummers across genres. This kit is a percussionist's toolbox. Whether you're working with a steel drum, xylophone, vibraphone, bass drum, or even cymbals, there's a pair in here for the job. The balance and weight of each stick have been designed to support both control and sound projection, making them ideal for use in concert settings, home studios, or practice rooms. Because of the variety in materials and textures, you'll be able to explore a wide range of sounds, from soft rolls on timpani to clear strikes on glockenspiels, or even snappy accents on snare pads. It's a great way to expand your sound library without needing multiple separate purchases. The included carrying bag is compact yet roomy, allowing you to store all 4 pairs securely and take them anywhere with ease. It's perfect for students walking into rehearsal, musicians headed to gigs, or hobbyists organizing their gear at home. This kit is designed for all ages and skill levels. Whether you're just starting out or adding to your professional collection, the VixxNoxx Drum Mallets Kit provides reliable performance and sonic flexibility. The quality, variety, and thoughtful design make this set a smart investment for any percussionist. So if you're looking for the best mallets for percussion in soft, medium, and hard styles, all in one complete package, the VixxNoxx Drum Mallets Kit has you covered. Versatile, durable, and thoughtfully crafted, it lives up to its spot as an Amazon's Choice product. That's it for today's product critique. Hit like if you found this helpful, subscribe for more in-depth gear reviews, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next one.